and misguided and disinformation that's out there too. So the education part is hard.
All you have to do is raise the price.
Well, that's what California did with
electricity. You want to know why your state's have smaller cars? I was in Portugal 3 weeks ago. Gas cost $8.44 a gallon.
Exactly. Europe.
You don't see any Hummers there. You don't see any RVs. You don't see any V8s. $8.44 will get your attention. And electricity is the same way. We have the cheapest electricity in the world. I mean, it's just unbelievable. And it makes it possible to be wasteful.
Subsidies, you know, they hit subsidies pretty hard on fossil fuels, and that we are subsidizing things, entities that should not be subsidized.
Yeah, well, if we're a capitalist country, why are we subsidizing any industry? Not that I'm against subsidizing green industry.
Well,
I think we should. If
we're
going to put money somewhere, let's put it towards something that will be useful in the future instead of supporting an old technology that we know is harming, it's killing people every year. We've known that for decades. And it's going to run out. We know that for decades. You know, let's do something different. Let's change the future.
Bill McKibben, which is not one of the ones that I mentioned here when it was the depower the way it is now, said we were the nice guys. It did not work. So what we've got to do now is ask exactly for what we want, such as what CCL wants, which is carbon tax with a refund, whether it's monthly or in your income tax or whatever. He said, we've got to ask exactly for what we want, and we've got to mobilize, which, see, that's what I see happening. I see people mobilizing, whether it's on an individual basis, like Norm and I wanted to create as green a footprint as we could with our home, or whether it's these small companies getting bigger and bigger and bigger that we're following, you know, because we want wind generators or something like that. So we have got to get together and do it, and so people are. Anybody else?
I know I've harped on this subject before, but the only issue that is standing in the way of progress is money in politics.
Yeah.
And we can put all the energy we want to into green legislation, but it's not going to happen until you get the money out of politics. That's what we ought to be marching.
I bet we all agree on that one.
Yeah. Also, one of the things that's happening, I can't give you numbers or names, but more and more municipalities and states are giving up on the federal government doing anything, and are taking their own hands. And individual municipalities are making rules and laws, you know, that it can.
They are more progressive, no question.
We can lead. They will follow. The leaders will follow if you just get if you can do it with you on the local level. It's probably time we draw this to a close.
Yeah, it is. It's 10 after 3. Anybody else?
Yeah, if I may, the terrible thing is that we have all these goals that conflict. And you're talking about the new urbanism of putting all the houses in here. Okay, they're infilling lots and families. The old lots on the flat land, those are the only lots that have any actual good soil where you can have a garden. Mm-hmm. And they red dirt it. And they pipe the water down the street instead of leaving it open swale. So that floods people further down the street. And it causes, you know, erosion wherever it comes out into the street. So there are all these things that conflict. And we have, the city's got gold here. And I think we do have to work on what we can do locally. And, you know, we can't really have big influence individually, worldwide, or even statewide. But the city's got Enduring Green Network in the city as one of its major goals. But when you say infill and then Enduring Green Network, you find that they will conflict. Mm-hmm. And wide highways are, you know, there was this big argument about 4-lane highways out on the west side, Rupert Road. And the same people that were saying we ought to have narrow roads also wanted buses, improved public transportation. You can't do that on a narrow road. So anyhow, yeah, it's much more complex than any of us can do anything to simplify it.
And there's some refreshments over there on the table.
No, I ate them all. So.
What Aubrey left for us.
Thank you, everybody, for
Thank you
coming.
all.
Thank you, sir.